Here we are. Out in the woods. This is going to be a minute in the woods, guys. Oh, I've walked straight into a bog. No problems. We can figure it out. I thought I saw a squirrel then. No. And if I did, he's gone. If I did, he's gone. My signal crapped out, I think. Either that or I wasn't paying attention and I needed to do a verification that I didn't do. We'll try again in a minute. This is the scenery today. Glorious Saturday. I hope you're all well. New life has come to the woods. See the green and all the beauty there is to be seen. Here we are. Lovely job. Right, my darlings. Reels only allows a minute, and other places allow a little bit more, so I'll go on for another little moment and then I'm going to say goodbye. And this is our walk in the woods. Hope you have a blessed day. Sending love to you all. Bye bye.